Is it on the share capital? Okay. On the first one, they issued 60,050 shares at a premium of how much? At a premium of 100%. Is that means 50 means 50 plus 50. 50 means 50 plus 50, 100. Okay, 100 cents. 100 cents is $1. Okay, 100 cents is $1. Means how much they have spent? 50 for the value and 50 for the premium. Is it total will be how much? Total will be $1. Okay, total will be $1. The proceeds were used to finance purchase and cancellation of all 10% loans. They have repaid the loans also. Is it 10% loan and sum of 5% loan? Means one side they have taken the amount and another side they have repaid the amount. Means there is a cash inflow as well as there is a cash outflow. Is it? There is a bonus issue of 1 for 10 shares. See now the thing. We are talking about the bonus issue, earning per share. Is it right? We are talking about the on chapter number 14. Has made on 1st November. All shares is qualified for the bonus. Is that all shares has been qualified for the bonus? Now coming back to this, how much we have to take in terms of issue of share capital here in financing activities? 60, see what is there? 60 to 63, 363. How much is the difference? Difference is how much?
$63.
The difference is how much? Difference is 63. Now difference is 63. In 63, how much they have issued? They have issued 60,000 shares. Is that they have issued how many shares? 60,000 shares. Fine. They have issued how many shares? See the thing. They have issued financing activities. Is it? Proceeds. Proceeds from issue of equity shares. Is that issue of equity shares? How much is there? See how much they have issued. They have issued 60,000 shares. Is it right? At the rate of how much? At the rate of how much?
$100%?
No, at the rate of 50. 50 is the book value. Okay, 50 is the book value, and 50 is the premium. Is it? 50 is the premium. How much they have issued? They have issued it for the $1. This is the premium. Is it? This is the premium. Is how much? 1. Is it? How much is there? It is a cash inflow. 60. Is it? It is a cash inflow. How much is there? 60. Now, they have repaid the loans. Is it right? How much they have repaid the loans? See the things. They have repaid the loans of how much? 40. Is it? They repaid full. They are repaid here full. They are repaid here partially. How much you have repaid here? In this year they have repaid 20. In this you have repaid how much? 40. Is it? In this you have repaid 40. In this you have repaid 20. Is it? Minus. Is it? Minus. Repayment. Repayment of 10% loan notes. How much? 40. Any doubt is there? You ask me. Repayment. Is it? Repayment. Is it? Partial repayment. Is it? Repayment of 5% loan notes. How much? 20. Is that how much? 20. Anything else? Anything else? You should ask me one question. You are not asking me. I am waiting for your doubt. Read point number 1. Read point number 1. How much it has been increased? Listen carefully. You have to. It is increased how much? 63. How much we have accounted? We have accounted 60. Where is 3? This 3 is a bonus issue. Is it there? Where are you people?
Here, doctor.
Is it clear?
3, where it gone?
Huh?
No, I didn't get you.
See. See the things. How much is an increased in equity share is how much?
63.
63. How much they have got it cash? They got it cash for how much? 60. Is it right? Where we have to mention 3?
But doctor, why we call it bonus issue?
Huh?
Why we call it bonus issue?
A bonus issue of 1 for 10 shares were made on 1st November. All shares is issued qualified for the bonus. You have issued bonus shares, is it right? In the bonus shares, where are we going to collect money?
No.
Are we going to collect money? We are not going to collect money. Is it right? We are not going to collect money. Ask me, stop me. Very simple. Is it right? 63 has been there. Is it right? 63 has been increased. 63 has been. On this, 60 is the cash. Is it right? 60 is the cash. See, very precisely. 60 is the cash. How much is there? 3 is there. Is it right? 3 million is there. What is the, see, how many, what they are saying? They are issuing 1 for 10. Is it right? They are issuing 1 for 10. I will put like this. See, if you understand this point, I don't need anything more. For 10 shares, they are issuing how many shares? 1 share. For 60,000 shares, how much they will issue? 60,000 shares only. Is it right? 60,000 divided by how much? 60,000 divided by 10 into 1. How many shares they will issue?
6,000.
6,000. What is the value of each share? What is the value of each share?
50.
50. Is it right? Now, 6,000 divided by 0.5. 6,000 multiplied by 0.5. How much is there? 6,000 multiplied by 0.5. How much will be?
3,000.
You got this 3,000?
Yeah.
Understand point? You got this 3,000? That much understanding has to be there. Okay? Otherwise, what will people will do? People will not do anything. People say that yes, 60,000, 63 has been increased. We put cash inflow as 63. No. 60,000 is for cash, 3,000 is for bonus issue. In bonus issue, there is no movement of cash. Is that in the bonus issue there is no movement of cash. For every amount you should have a clear cut principle is there. That is the reason you have what you are doing. We are taking only 60 and 3 is for what? 3 is for the bonus issue. Repayment is how much? Repayment is 40. Repayment of loan is how much? 20. Partial repayment. Anything else is there? Check. We have done point number 1. We have done point number current asset investment. Okay, current asset investment. We will do that. Okay. Anything else? Check. Point number 3 is over. Point number 4 is over. Point number 5. Point number 7. What is point number 7?
Dividends paid.
Where dividends is which activity? Dividends are which activity?
Equity.
Business.
Financing activity. Okay, dividends are which activity? Financing activity. Minus how much is the dividends paid? Is it dividends paid? Point number 7. Is it dividends paid? Point number 7. How much they have paid dividends? See point number 7. How much is dividends? 53,000. Is it there? Okay? 53,000. How much you will get the total of this? Do it fast.
$26.
67.
How much?
67.
No, 60 minus 40 minus 20.
60, sorry. I have not put here.
Yeah. Minus 53. 7.
How much?
7.
60 minus
60 minus
40
minus 20
minus 20 minus
minus 50. Minus-
53.
Minus
Should be
53.
negative.
Minus 53, dear.
Yeah, minus 53.
Is it right? Minus 53.
It's mean outflow.
Net cash used in financing activities. Total it, how much you'll get? Total 1, 2, 3. A
378 minus 128 minus 53. 197.
190.
7.
It is increased or decreased?
Decreased.
Minus plus. Minus or plus?
Decreased.
How decreased, my dear?
378 minus 128.
Plus or minus, you got it.
Plus.
Then net cash increased during the year. Is it right? Net cash increased during the year. Fine. Now you have to mention what is the opening balance of cash, closing balance of cash. We should not do anything. We have to get tallied. Okay, we have to get tallied. Now you see the things. You have a bank overdraft. Is there? How much is bank overdraft? Is 0. It is 70. It is 0. Okay. Last year it is 70. It is 0. Next, what is the cash is there? You see the thing. Cash in hand is how much? Last year 0. It is 75. Last year 5, it is 7. Okay. This is the closing balance. This is the opening balance. Okay. And investments is also there. Is it? Investment. What they have said in investment, this is point number 3. Is it? Point number 3. What is the investments? Investments, what they have mentioned, the not point number 3, it is point number 2. Current asset investment is for how many days? It is for 30 days. Is it? It is point number 2. Is it? Point number 2. Now, for simply, okay, simply, what you have to do, little bit you keep space, okay, little bit you keep space, cash and cash equivalents. Don't do anything. 30th September 2003, 30th September 2002. Is it? 30th September 2003, 30th September. You take the things, cash in bank. How much is there? How much is the cash in bank? Cash in bank, 75,000.
75, yeah.
Okay, don't do anything. Just put 75,000. Cash in hand, how much is there? Cash in hand, how much is there?
23,700.
No, 7 and 5.
7 and 5, yeah.
Okay, 7 and 5. 7 and 5. Investment is the short-term investment. Short-term investment. How much is short-term investment? Short-term investment 50 and 0. Okay, 50 and 0. 50 and 0. Bank overdraft is there. Is it? Bank overdraft is there. 0. Last year, how much is the bank overdraft? 70. Put 70 minus. Okay, put 70 minus. How much is the total? Tell me. Here, 65. 75, 125, 132. Is it there?
Yes.
Fine. Now,
Yeah.
when you do the things, is it right? First, you have to take the minus opening balance.
65.
65. How much
In
you'll get?
closing.
How much you'll get?
197. 132.
132. This is the closing.
Is closing.
Do this question 2 times. One time with seeing, one second time without seeing. I'm telling you this. Do this question 2 times. It gives you a complete understanding. Okay?
No, only this, huh? Nothing else. It will come more than this. More than this information, no?
Yes.
This is completely full.
Completely. We'll have some more information, but similar. This gives you a basic sound, good foundation.
Yeah.
Okay? This gives you a good foundation. Okay?
So only the final one, the closing and opening and closing to be tally, huh?
That does. We are not going to do anything. An examination, again I am saying this, they will not give you a complete picture, okay? Complete, don't do. That much time will not be. They will ask you either, see, My experience is they will ask you operating activities or financing and investing activities. You see the thing. You take financing and investing, combine financing and investing and take operating activities. Almost double. Okay? You put one side you put operating activity, one side you do put financing and investing activities. The time management it will be almost same.
Okay.
Okay?
All right.
Is it clear, Hussein and Sumaya?
Yes, doctor.
Is it? Nothing is there. Now we are the moment another question we'll do, we will have more clarity on that. Is it right? We will have more clarity on that. Fine? Now we'll do question number 2. Now you will understand more easily. Is it? Now you will understand more easily. They have said they have not done anything else. Is it right? What they have mentioned here, they mentioned here the only financial position like this. Understand? But similar to this, they have given financial position. Okay? They have not given anything else. You are asking you to prepare extract from the cash flow for the year ended, compliance with IS 7, showing what? They are asking you what? They are asking you to show investing activities and financing activities only. Understand? They are asking you only investing and financing activities. Now they are asking you investing and financing activities. Go one by one. Property, plant and equipment. What they said, property and plant and equipment. Now you see the thing. You will get government grants which you have done. You will get shares which you have done. Most of the people what they will do, they will directly do cash flow statement. Again you will get confused what is government grants. Now when you have the government grants, you have very clear vision that we have done government grants well before. During the year, assets carrying of 31 million was sold 21. The present value of lease payment. See the thing. We are having so many concepts are here. You are talking about the IS 16. You are talking about the lease payments. Is it at IFRS? Is it 16? For a new right of use of assets equal to how much? 28 million. Depreciation charged how much? 37 million. Okay, you will have very clear view. We will do the lease, we will do the plant and machinery separately. Okay, next you have see that you have the lease liabilities there, you have lease liability, current liabilities there, non-current liabilities there. Grant 55 million has been credited to operating expenses during the year. Is that government grant? We have to do operating means yearly grant is a operating grant. You will have revenue grant as well as capital grant. Shares, here you are talking about shares for bonus issue. Again, complete a very comprehensive revision. Is it? Shares 1 for 20 bonus shares were made utilizing premium. Further share was made for cash. On 1st September, 1 for 20 bonus issue was made utilizing share premium. You are using the share premium. In here, somewhere they have mentioned share premium. Okay? They have further issued shares was made for cash. Some is for the bonus issue, some is for the cash. Okay? Now, first what you have to do, we have to take where we will write here. Okay? Nothing will happen. I will put one small here. Is it? First, working note 1. Okay? Working note 1. Property, plant and equipment. Is it? It's all working. See, working is all your understanding. Understand point? Debit and credit. Opening balance. How much is the opening balance? Opening balance is how much?
496.
496. Closing balance is how much?
572.
Immediately write this one. Okay, 472 and write. Next. Okay, they have any depreciation is there? See point
Yes.
number 1. How much is the depreciation?
35.
37. Is it right? How much is the depreciation? 37.
37.
Which side we will write depreciation? Debit or credit?
Credit.
Yes. Depreciation 37. Write this like this only. Nothing will happen. Okay. Next. They have sold something.
And,
They have sold something. How much they have sold?
Yeah. Yeah, 21 million.
No. How much? What is the carrying amount?
31.
We have to take carrying amount. Okay. Disposal is the
But
carrying
what
amount.
about 21?
Huh? 21 is
about
the
21?
inflow. 21 is the cash inflow. Okay. See, you have see what happens. You have a carry book value. We will decrease. Is it right? You have sold it for how much? You have sold it for 21. But the value of the asset is how much?
31.
31.
Carrying amount, yeah.
Okay, always you have to take carrying amount. Okay, always you have to take compare. Next time we are going to come across this, your confidence will increase. The moment we will do this, carrying amount we have to decrease. How much is the carrying amount? Disposal. Disposal. How much is disposal? 31. Is it? Disposal is 31. Next. Anything about lease? They have acquired lease. Right of use of asset. Is it? They have acquired a right of use of asset. Equivalent. How much is the amount?
28.
20. It is asset, is it right? Right of use of asset in property, plant and equipment. We will do separately for lease, okay? It is the lease asset. Lease. Right of use. How much? 20.
28.
Anything else is there? Check. We have taken 37, we have taken 28, we have taken 31, we have not taken only 21. Other things we have taken. Okay? Other things we have taken. Is it okay?
Yeah.
No. Total, which side is more?
Credit side.
How much? 37 plus 31 plus 572. Okay, this is 572.
572.
How much you get?
640.
640.
640.
Difference is how much? How much?
Here 524 minus 640. 116.
What is this difference is called as? This is called as if it difference is on the debit side, what is? We have purchased or we have asset is increasing. We have purchased, we have sold.
purchase.
Always debit side difference is purchase, credit side difference is sold. Okay? Debit side difference is purchase, credit side difference is sold. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Second one, this is over. Okay, this is over. We have we take lease liability. Okay, take lease. Okay, you have the lease. Fine. Point number 2, lease. Is it right? Lease. First time you are doing, little bit careful. Okay, rules will never change. Now you understand my way of teaching. I will tell you the rules in the beginning and the rules will be followed till the end. There is no thin margin we are going to change the rules. And you can refer the rules from the previous conceptual chapters also. Opening balance. Lease is a liability. Liability opening balance will be on the credit side. Okay, liability opening balance is on the. Now, there are two types of liabilities. Non-current liability is there, current liability is there. Lease. Okay, how much is the non-current opening?
28.
No. Non-current, how much is there?
30 and
30.
49.
30. Is that closing balance? Non-current and current. Closing is how much?
49.
49. Okay, closing is how much? 49. Current liability, how much is there? Current liability is how much?
3.
3.
3.
Here how much is there? 5.
5.
Okay, 5. They have taken a lease liability of asset. How much they have taken? Point number 1.
Yeah, 28.
Lease liability. Right of use of asset. Is it right? Right of use. How much? Point 1. How much?
28.
28. Anything is there? We have taken this, we have taken this, we have taken this, we have taken this. Okay? We have taken this and we have taken this. Okay? Now, which side is more?
+ 3 + 28. 61. Credit side.
How much?
61. And here 54 minus 61. 7.
Difference is how much?
7.
What is that? Liability decreases. What will happen? Cash will
Liability reduce.
Liability decreases. Cash will
Decrease.
decrease.
Increase.
Huh?
Cash decrease.
Huh?
Yeah, decrease.
Think and tell. I told you.
Yeah.
Nothing is there. It's only a matter of 1, 2, 3, 4 rules. Liability decreases, cash will decrease. Liability decreases is nothing but you have paid amount, then
Paid.
only liability will decrease. Is it right? You have paid amount, then only liability will decrease.
Decrease. Yes.
Okay? Then only the liability will decrease. Fine? You do this, nothing like this. Next one, government grants. Same thing. Now you will get perfection here. Is that debits, credits? Is it? Now government grants. Opening balance is how much? Opening balance is how much is the opening balance? 75. Okay, government balance. Closing balance is how much? See, there are two government grants are there. NCL is there, CL is there. Okay, NCL is there, CL is there. This is non-current liabilities. Is it? Current liabilities. How much is the current liabilities? Government grants 20. Okay, non-current liability. Closing balance. How much is the government grants? 80. Is it? Current liabilities. How much is the government grants? 10. Is it right? Are you clear about this?
Yes, doctor.
Next. See point number 2. What happens? Grant income of 55 million
Estate.
has been credited to operating expenses. Is it has been credited to operating expenses? If it is credited to operating expenses, what will be the debit? What will be the debit?
Cash. Cash.
Debit will be government grants.
Hmm.
Is it? Debit will be government grants, credit will be operating expenses. Why it is cash?
Because since it's received cash, no?
They have received sometime long back. Is it? They have received sometime long. Grant income has been credited. They have received, now they have credited to operating expenses. Fine. Means
Yeah,
what we
yeah.
have done? Debited. On the debit side, is it? On the debit side, is it? On the debit side, what we have to write? We have to write,
Government grant.
no, in government grant, how you will write government grant, my dear? In government grant, what we will write? You will write operating expenses, statement of profit and loss account. Is that statement of profit and loss account? Is that statement of profit? How much is there? Point number, what is the point?
Two. Two, no?
Point number 2, okay? Point 1, 2, 3. Point number 2, how much? It is
55.
55. Which side is more?
Debit side.
55, 135, 145. Check again.
Okay.
145. Difference is how much? 50. Difference is credit. Credit all incomes and gains. Is it? Liability increases. Is it? If liability increases, what will happen? Cash will?
Decrease.
Allah Kareem. Tomorrow when you are coming to the class, revise 10 times. Liability increases, cash increases. Liability decreases, cash decreases. In the asset, it is opposite. In the asset, don't worry about that. It automatically, nothing will happen. I will tell like this only. Don't take my
No,
word
sir.
seriously. Asset increases, cash will decrease. Asset is decreasing, cash will increase. But liability same. Liability
Yeah.
increases, cash will increase. Liability decreases, cash will decrease. It is nothing but liability is increasing. Means what you have done? You have received grant. Grant received. How much? 50. How much? 50. Are you clear about this?
Yes, definitely.
Okay, this is over, this is over. Now, what is the next one? Share capital. Okay, what is the next one? The next one is share capital. Is it? Next one is share capital. This is point, this is 3, this is 4. Share opening balance is on which side? Share capital. It is how much? Credit balance. Okay, liability. How much is the opening balance? 200. Closing balance is how much? 230. Is it okay, Hussein, Sumayya? Fine. Fine. Opening balance is this much. Next. What happened? Anything else? Share premium is there.
Yeah.
How much is the share premium?
35, 45.
Share premium is there. Is it? How much is the share premium? Share premium is 35 and share premium is how much? Share premium is
45.
45. Anything else?
Retained earnings.
We'll do retained earnings separately.
Okay.
Anything is there?
Share capital. Alright. Check. Okay. Nothing, no?
Is it right? No. Fine. How much is there? Where is the total is high?
Debit side.
275. 275. Difference. 235.40. Liability increases. Cash will.
Wait, doctor. Again?
Liability increases.
Liability increase, cash increase.
Yes. If cash is increasing, it means what? They have
Means what?
issued shares. They have mentioned here. Is it right? They have issued shares. How much? 270. 40.
Difference. What is that? Difference. What is
Issue of shares.
Issue of shares.
Issue of shares.
Okay.
Next. Last one. Retain earnings. Same thing. Opening balance is how much?
Return earnings. 147.
How much? 147. Closing balance is how much?
166.
166. Anything is there? Check. Smart people, they will give something which we even in our dreams also we cannot go. But
Imagine.
smart people can identify. Anything else?
Anything related bonus?
Relating to retained earnings. Yes, Hussein. What is this?
A dividend?
What is this?
Profit for the year.
Profit for the year. Is it right? Profit for the year. How much is the profit for the year?
31.
31. It is it right? That is the profit for the year. Profit for the year. How much? 31.
31.
Now,
31.
how much is the total?
Wait.
178. 178. Difference.
12.
What is this? Just now you are saying na so loudly.
Profit. Dividend.
Ah. Okay. Fine.
Yeah.
Nothing is there, is that? Now almost we have to put all the things in one place. That's all. Is that cash flow extracts? Is it cash flow extracts? That's all. Okay. Put the line. Investing. Is it particulars? Amount. Is it right? Now, first investing. Investing activities. Okay. Investing activities. First, what we will write?
Investment activities. Where is it? Up. Oh. No, this is not operating.
Yes. We will take all 5 numbers, okay? We will take all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus you will add one thing more, which you have not taken.
Property plant.
Huh?
Property plant. Non-current asset, property plant and equipment.
Sale.
No.
Sale of property, plant and equipment. How much we have sold? How much we have sold?
21.
Yeah. Okay. How much you have sold? This is in millions. Okay. This is in millions. How much you have sold? 21 millions. Okay. 21 millions. Now go one by one. One by one. Take the difference. Only difference. Nothing more, nothing less. Only the difference. First one. What is the difference?
116.
116. What is 116? Minus.
Minus, yeah.
Purchase of property, plant and equipment. Working note 1. How much? 116.
6.
Point number 2. What is there?
Leasing.
Lease paid. Where it will come? Financing or investing? Lease, financing or investing?
Financing.
Financing. How much is there?
7.
How much is there? 7. Paid. Okay? Okay, paid. It is just give financing. Financing activities. Lease. Working note 2. How much? Don't do any total. Understand, Bhadan? We should not do total when you are talking about extracts. Okay, never do total. Point number 2. Point number 3. Government grants. Received or paid?
Government grant.
Received.
Government grants.
Paid.
Difference is which side, my dear?
Received.
Expenses.
Difference is which side?
Debit.
Credit side.
Credit side, yeah.
Is there difference is which side? I will put like this. You will feel very clear. You will say difference is which side? It is debit side. Difference is which side? It is debit side. Difference is which side? It is credit side.
Credit side. Yes.
Okay, difference here it is on the credit side. Okay, difference is on the credit side. Here difference is on where side? It is on the debit
Debit.
side. Received, is it right? They have received for which side? Investment, is right? The government grants will be in the investment. Okay, they will not give for any financing. They will give for only investments. Okay, add received. Okay, government grants. Working 3. How much? 50. Okay, how much? 50. Okay, next. Share capital. Share capital. Credit or debit?
Share capital. Credit.
Liability increases, cash will?
Increase.
When you issue capital, what will happen? Cash will come. Issue of share capital. Is it right? Issue of share capital. Working 4. How much? 40. How much? 40. What is point number 5? Point number 5. What we have done?
Return earning.
Difference is where?
Debit side.
What is that?
Dividend.
Dividends paid. Less. Dividends paid. How much? 12. We should not do anything else. That's all. Understand?
Oh, I understand, doctor. Enough for them, doctor. Too much this.
Today?
Enough for ACCA. This is too much.
Still na? Inshallah, still one paper you